Hello and welcome there, guys. My name is Matt from Just Go Consulting, and today we're going to be looking at another Microsoft Teams app. Today's app we're looking at is called Employee Ideas, and what you can do through this is pose questions which any of your employees can answer and pose responses to, whether that's your frontline workers, your managers, anyone in the middle. And it just kind of makes that feel like there's a bit more of a workplace culture. It feels like they're getting heard. And then you can also vote on the different responses to see which one might be good for your organization. So as we load into employee ideas, we've got a bit of a mix of things here. These are just the baseline examples. As you can see, it would be fine for many different organizations. We've got a cafe question, meeting question, a manufacturing question, and also a return to a workplace sort of one. So these are just baseline ones you can kind of build off. I'll just show you the manufacturing one. It's just saying that it's the workplace safety. We're looking at ideas to make our workplace better. And then here's all our ideas. So this is people's putting in these responses, and I'll show you how to do that later. But what we want to do, okay, so cool. This pre-shift employee checkup, that's been given 2 responses. So that might be something we want to implement if we're the management group. We're looking at that and going, okay, people want that. People want that sort of change, and that's something that we could easily do. If we wanted to submit our own idea, we could click on this, or if we wanted to edit the campaign, we can click on this. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a whole new campaign just for you guys. So the campaign name is what we're going to do. Firstly, let's do a hospital break room. We want to see what the sort of, if we can increase the safety there for our staff. So we'll call it just break room, nice and simple, and increasing safety of break room. So now maybe we might want to have an idea as like, people might have to wear masks, or we might have to have sanitizer at the door or something along those lines. So that is our campaign name. That's our description, what we want to achieve through it. Our cover item, we can have any we like. Let's just use this one. How long would we like the campaign to run? So whether it be a week or a month or something along those lines, we can change how long we want it to. Depends on your organization. And so then these, after you've posed that question, or they've implemented their question, they then get these follow-up idea questions. So it'll be like, what impact will your idea have? So whatever I've said, what impact to me will it have, a low or a high impact? Then we've got another question that will be, how much effort will your idea take to implement, low or high? We can also have text, but I think the rating's a lot easier. It kind of means it'll be easier for people to just respond very quickly and don't have to write a full essay, that sort of thing. And you can change these, but I think those are quite good as a baseline. And this will, of course, post to the channel, so people will all be notified in my Karma General channel. So let's add the campaign. So after we've added it, it's going to give us a little notification that just says, thank you very much. Let's return to the campaign list. Awesome. So we'll go back. And now it's going to pop up in our campaign. So we can see here the break room one we just created just before. It does say 15 days left because that's the time period we gave it. And now what I can do is I can click on that. So anyone in our organization, you can use this on your phone, you can do this at your computer, anything like that. And let's submit an idea. So let's say I was an employee and I thought, okay, I think we should have fresh masks or something along the lines of that. Like, so we can switch out if we want to. Have easy access to new masks. Something along those lines. What impact will your idea have? It's going to be awesome for us. It's going to be a number 5. And how much effort will it take? Well, it might be a little bit costly, but it's not too bad. I think it might be a 3. And here we can attach any supporting files, whether that's maybe a link to an article or something about how frequently you should change our mask, or I don't know, just something that might back up your idea. And that'll go share in the channel as well. And then I'd simply click submit my idea. And then what it's going to do is it's going to come up here in our idea list. So now here we go. The first idea is fresh masks. Awesome. So now we'd have multiple responses from multiple people here if they wanted to add in their own ideas. And then here's our little like button that if someone likes our idea, they can give it a thumbs up and it will go to the top. We can do it by oldest or top voted, that sort of thing, how we can sort it. And then maybe we can make that change as management group. And then it feels like we're listening to our employees, whether they're managers or whether they're, frontline staff. And yeah, so that is about it today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.